You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. First, check the recently deleted album. Open the Photos app, tap Albums, scroll down and select Recently Deleted. Find the photo and tap Recover. Deleted photos stay here for 30 days. If it's not there, you need a backup restore. From an iCloud backup, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, ensure Photos is on and you have a backup. To restore, erase your iPhone via Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings. After restarting, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, select a backup from before the deletion. Alternatively, use a computer with iTunes or Finder, connect your iPhone, open the software and select Restore Backup. This restores the entire device to that backup state. Third-party apps like Disk Digger or data recovery services are options but often require payment and are not guaranteed. To prevent loss, regularly back up to iCloud or a computer. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.